A is for apple, juicy and red, keeps you strong and well fed. B is for ball, roll, bounce and play, exercise keeps us healthy each day. C is for cat, soft and sweet, a loving pet who's fun to meet. D is for dog, loyal and true, they bring joy and comfort to you. E is for elephant, big and kind, teaching us strength and a curious mind. F is for fish, swimming so free, life in the ocean, a mystery to see. G is for grapes in a tasty bunch, a healthy snack for breakfast or lunch. H is for hat, for shade in the sun, protection from heat while having fun. I is for ice cream, a chilly treat, a reward for working hard, it's so sweet. J is for jelly, it wobbles and shines, a tasty dessert when it's snack time. K is for kite, flying so high, teaching us dreams can touch the sky. L is for lion, brave and strong, showing us courage all day long. M is for moon, glowing at night, lighting the world with its gentle light. N is for nest, where birds can rest, a cozy home for their very best. O is for orange, so full of zest, a source of vitamin C that's the best. P is for pencil, to draw and write, creating stories day and night. Q is for queen, regal and wise, teaching us kindness under the skies. R is for rainbow, with colors so bright, spreading joy and dazzling light. S is for sun, giving us heat, helping plants grow and warming our feet. T is for tree, giving shade and air, homes for animals, a gift to care. U is for umbrella, in rain or shine, keeping us safe every time. V is for violin, playing a tune, music so lovely in morning or noon. W is for water, clean and clear, keeps us healthy, oh so dear. X is for xylophone, making sounds, music that dances and moves around. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea, exploring the world, feeling free. Z is for zebra, black and white, stripes that amaze and bring delight.